is for close to my heart. And I received the Cut Above card kit. These are so simple, easy to put together. And I wanted to show you guys what is in the kit, how to purchase the kit, because you can get this only in the month of October. So this can help you get ready for the Christmas holiday season. So it's called Cut Above Card Kit. It's called Holiday Sparkle. And everything that you see here is what I'm going to show you now. And of course, I will show you everything down below. It'll be all linked down below of what you all have to do. And it shows you on the back the stamp set that you get, which is right here, and I have everything here. This is everything that comes in the kit, explains everything there, and then how to assemble it. It's all right there, and then that's what the two cards look like. So, with further ado, let's get started. So, these here are the stickers. So you get all the stickers that are all ready to go for you. They all have all the little stitching on there and everything like that, okay? And then these are the die cuts or the cut aparts, and they're all ready to go for you as well. Show you. Okay, and then you do get the cards are already put together. You get 2 sets. And the cool part about it, this is where the shaker pocket goes that you see on both of the cards. And then you just follow the steps on the back, and it will, on the back of that paper, and then the front of the card will be ready to go. And then you can do your journaling and, you know, say happy holidays, whatever. Because you do also get the stamp. Now, you can order it differently. You can order all of these separately, which I'll link everything down below separately. And then I'll link what the kit, what you can do as the kit together, okay? But then you get the next one. This one's got a little bit more steps involved. And then obviously the inside is blank as well. And then it does come with all of your envelopes. So that is amazing. It all comes ready to go for you. And here is the sequence mix. This is brand new for us, and you can order these without having to order the kit, okay? So let's flip it around. Look how gorgeous that is. And so these are the loose sequins, and you can order these by itself. And there's the number, and like I said, I'll link everything down below as well. And the stamp set. This stamp set is only available. You can order it separately, and you can order it with the kit, but it is only available for the month of October, and that's October of 2018, okay? So look how gorgeous this is. And these are all the little sentiments that you can put inside and decorate your cards as well. Okay, and then of course the sequence mixes, or excuse me, the shaker pockets sequence mix. Good Lord. And I've explained these already before, but this here is an additional foam in the inside, and it comes with the acetate and everything, and you get enough to make the cards. You get 2 of these, and these are sold separately as well. You do not have to get these inside the kit. So that is the kit. Now remember, my link and everything down below will be ready for you for the month of October. And that, if you have any questions, any comments, or any of that sort, please leave it down below, and I can answer it back. My link to my website and all of that stuff will be there. And I will talk to you soon. Happy scrapping. Bye.